galing ka na. Tapos na. Ano? Wala na kayo. Wala na po. Wala na, napilay na kasi si Ma'am.
2 points, 29.
Anis!
Rebound 27.
Rebound. Richie.
Rebound 31. Link violation.
Paraw.
Foul, 31.
Ma'am. First foul.
First personal foul.
Wala nyo, kulang linya. Baka next week pa. Please.
Foul number 27.
First foul.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Blue.
Ayan nyo. Wala pa rin. Rebound niya.
Change to rebound 83. 2 points.
Tapos na. Offensive rebound.
Out of bounds.
Allowance. Allowance ang joke.
Still 31.
Offensive rebound.
Change to rebound 31. Rebound 23. Still 31. Foul basket. Foul number 25.
25. So yun. First foul. Hit.
First foul. Rebound 27.
Nice pass.
32 points. Assist 31.
Defense lang and then box, ha? No foul.
Twenty-five 2 points.
Saan ba? Saan pa?
Wag. Back. Isa lang.
Sa ito. Huli.
Still. Two points. 32.
Back, isa lang. Ibigay mo yun.
Nakita yun. Flip.
Ibigay mo yun. Wag mo na, Donnie. Ikot!
Rebound.
Out of bounds. 10 shot clock.
Tira ko magkano.
Rebound number 8.
Nelson.
Steal, 23, steal, 21.
Uy!
Out of bounds.
Stop.
Substitution. Substitution.
Four, five.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Tinao.
10 shot clock.
Tinao.
5 shot clock.
Oh.
32 points.
Nori.
Charge, ibabaw ka, Charge.
10 shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Nailang. Nailang.
Bola. Rob.
Nailang.
Screen kay Robert. Charge, screen kay Robert.
10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Rebound 32. Out of bounds.
Kumano yan, 32. Yan na nga. Mabilis ako bumindot eh. Ha? Mabilis ako bumindot.
Bilis eh, binabatayan ko, bilis.
32 to 5.
Sa'yo yung time mo. Good time mo yung sa'yo. Mababit ka na lang yan.
Steal 83.
Uy, para. Lock up.
Lock 7. Lock 83.
Lock.
27 to points.
Lock.
Lock
Lock mo naman.
27. 2 points, 60.
Sab.
Substitution.
Mads. Si Mads.
Substitution. Ten shot clock. 27 to points. Lock number 8. Rebound 38. Ten shot clock. 5 10 shot clock. 2 points. Assist 99.
Nandun sa ilalim, hindi na ako tigilan.
Pag medyo maluwag, no? Taas naman. Mahaba maganda yun si
Rebound 99.
Tigilan.
10 shot clock. 5 shot clock.
Patay.
2 points.
Abol, abol! Nice B, nice B.
Hindi na naman.
Still number 8.
Huli.
Still 83.
Go, 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 go! Go, go!
Basket.
Still 2
Oras,
points.
ubos oras!
50 seconds.
Oras, oras!
Ayan na, binantayan na.
10 shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
George, George!
Rebound 86.
Yan.
Rebound 99.
Salubog, salubog!
10 seconds.
Wala.
Rebound 83. 5 seconds.
Uy!
Foul basket. Foul number 38.
Basket count.
My bad, my bad. Dalawa na oras, dalawa. Whoever's in the bench, give us a countdown. Kasi ito, okay, kami muna din ako, kami muna din. Listen. So here's what's working.
Bakit? Ubat?
Okay. That would be our that would be our You want us to sustain to the last. Alright? So did you some of that? At the count of 5, then last 10 seconds.
Imam, maganda yan nun.
Countdown. Okay? Take a pick. Alright? Don't be covered with the on the side. Make yourself if you give it to them, listen. If you have to make sure you don't stay there.
2-7.
Second quarter.
Tandaan mo, baka makalimutan ka.
Mamaya. Mamaya.
Peter. Nandun na po.
Success.
Second shot clock.
Okay pa, ma'am.
Foul number 13.
Foul 13.
Wala. Yun yun.
Defense.
Is rebounding 7. Rebounding team.
Terus nito nga.
32 2 points. Assist number 15.
Serpan.
10 shot clock. 29 2 points. Assist 27.
Ba na? Palitan. Bang!
3 of 15. Assist 32.
Naman ko na rin.
Spot.
Basa!
10 shot clock.
Uy!
Foul. 86.
86. First foul. Pumasok.
Huwag mo nang patayin.
Perfect.
Out of bounds.
Kickball.
Same ball. Shot clock 8 seconds. Out of bounds. Fifteen the next.
Serpat.
Question sa sir. Ang natin.
Rebound.
3186.
Tira.
Ten shot clock. 5 shot clock.
Ay! Sayang. Basic theory.
Foul number 8.
Time out. Time out daw.
Time out, Blue.
Ayaw.
Sabi ng pan sa ano.
Ha?
Daw sa replay. Third day guys. Hey, we want to inspire us. We can win. I keep letting but it's not so
Hindi.
Bitin. 10-second shot clock.
Ito. Decisive
Takes the
rebound.
rebound, 99.
Oh, dalawa na sablay ni Kepo.
Rebound, 21. Rebound, 99. Out of bounds. Save ball. Shot clock 17. Ten shot clock. Out of bounds. Ten shot clock. Still 29. Basically one of 8. Ten shot clock. Foul 21. Substitution.
Juan Nelson.
Substitution.
First foul.
First foul 21.
One, two, three, four. Sino? Basket.
Rebound 32.
Rebound, 32. Wang.
25 to 1.
Sino?
Number 17.
17.
Still number 8. To White. Rebound 27. Still. Foul number 31.
Mac.
Dalawa.
Second foul.
Steal.
Binibigyan ng play si
Uy, ganda.
23 to points. Assist 25.
Pasado na. Flip. Where you flip? Wala.
Rebound 83. Still number 8.
Uy, wala pa rin.
Rebound 23. Nice pa. Rebound number 8.
Wala.
Rebound 83.
Basket.
32 2 points. Timeout blue.
Okay, listen. We had opportunities to learn it. Taking the shot, take the shot. Alright? Okay? Same sa clock. Remember, they led all because our shots were not going in. We got to use the clock. Okay? So, keep it that way. But this time, we have to. Shot, shot, shot. Come on. Shot, shot, shot. 1, 2, 3. Shot!
Yun, repeated dyan.
Yan pa lang. Sila ang makakatalo. Saka-sakali.
Malakas.
One more. Guards, baba! Gitna, gitna, isa, gitna! Shoot!
Three 2 points.
Hindi na, boy.
Ito bola nung
Ang bola.
7 shot clock. Still 31. Big line 2 points. Assist 38.
Kick. Basket.
Rebound 31.
Foul.
Foul. 23.
Wait lang.
Oh, come on.
23. First foul.
First foul number 23. First foul. Rebound 32. Out of bounds. 40 seconds. Thirty seconds. Rebound 32. Finish the rebound 25. 2 points. 10 seconds.